Alrighty guys, we got a 2012 Jetta. We're going to be doing a wiper motor. T30?
T30.
Just disconnecting the wiper motor harness. What size? 10 mil. What's just the bracket?
Yep.
What's broken on it?
The motor.
The motor is grinding, huh? What do you have to transfer?
This little linkage arm.
Alrighty, just transferring over a couple new parts to the motor. T30s.
The way you know it's lined up is when these two things are centered with each other.
Oh, okay. Those two just have to be parallel.
Yep.
That's perfect right there. What's that, 13?
Yep.
Millimeter for the bracket, plugging the harness back in. What do you call that? A windshield shroud or
Wiper shroud?
Wiper shroud? We'll go with that. Let us know in the comments below what you call this part. So it basically pops into the bottom of the part of the windshield.
Yep.
Putting the rubber gasket back on. Thirteens?
13.
The only thing that's left, we're just going to install 2 new blades and the job is done.
The key is the key. I can't do anything. It just programmed it. That's all it did was program it. It starts the car and it hits the locks. Maybe she got a bad latch.
Alrighty guys, we just worked on the 2012 Jetta. We just installed the wiper motor. Let us know in the comments below what do you want us to work on next. Thanks for joining me today and see you next time.